fẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọ̀tá yẹn wọ́n ní àwọn ọba àti gómìnà ìlọ́kíwò tí wọ́n bá ti lé akíwòlú ọ̀bá tí ìwé akíwò àti ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ àtọwọ́kùnrin olórí àwọn immigration akíwò olórí àwọn rọ́ṣẹ̀tì akíwò bákan náà.
ọ̀kan Williams akíyò kò ní bàjẹ́ àwọn tẹ̀sẹ̀ náà yẹ kò ní ká mọ̀ tó wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́ bá a máa ti rí àwọn èèyàn máa ṣàfihàn lórí àkókò lórí tí gómìnà bá ti dé tí ó máa ṣọwọ́ ẹ̀ka àbọ̀.
sí union ẹgbẹ́ ìtẹ̀síwájú Ìbàdàn ẹnìyàn yìí káàlì àbíyó ẹgbẹ́ bá ní ohun àwọn tọ́jú láti fò wọn díẹ̀. President, the Council of Ibadan ADG, Barrister Owiyi, wọ́n ti wà ní owó ọ̀dọ́. Bákan náà ni President ẹgbẹ́ ọmọ àṣìkòròsò. Wọ́n ti wà ní gbogbo Ìbàdàn ló ti wà ní. His Excellency Mr. Kayode Alabi, you are welcome, sir. From Kwara State, you are welcome, sir. Yes, láti ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yìn bí àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀sìn wọn àwọn ìwàlú wọlé. Ìmọ̀ ìrìn kí àrẹ̀sà àgbàgbàrò. Bàbá wa ẹ̀sà pupa àti bí ẹ̀sà pupa kí yóò ẹ̀ka àbọ̀ sí bí àwọn orí adé tó ti wá. Ọmọ olùkọ́ ti àgbàṣẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ti ń ṣojú. Sọ pé ẹ máa wá olè Jerúsálẹ́mù ẹni tó bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tó máa wà lóṣèlú rẹ̀. Gbogbo ẹ̀yọ́ ní Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ṣe ní kí Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ṣe ń dà fúta fún Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ẹ̀kú iṣẹ́ o ìdíjú ẹ̀ tí mà pé bí ó ṣe rí ẹni ó bá rí bí ọ̀túnba olóyè tó bá kan tiẹ̀ náà ayé ọ̀gá ló sọ mọ́. Mo kí kọmíṣọ́nà fún ọ̀rọ̀ oyè jíjẹ àti ọ̀rọ̀ ìjọba àbílẹ̀ nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ ọ̀nàrẹ́bù Ṣẹ́gun Ọláyíwọlá ẹ̀kú iṣẹ́ o ẹ̀kú iṣẹ́ o. Wọ́n sì ti bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ìṣòro oúnjẹ náà ẹ̀dá kan ọjọ́ mú kọ wọn kí lè kàn sí àwọn náà. A kí káàbọ̀ síbi tá a wà yìí ẹ mú gbàgbé pé wọ́n ní àwọn ọlọ́pàá tá a dúró tàwọn ọ̀gá wa àwọn personal aids tá a dúró tì wọ́n ẹ̀dá kan wọ́n ní dákẹ́ kí àárín yóò fi ẹ̀dílé wọ́n tó fi dẹ́ bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́run ló ń bẹ̀. A special announcement from the protocol schools. We need your support and your cooperation. Please allow our stickers to remain. If you remove a sticker and the sticker will be removed, please allow our stickers to remain. If we are help, people and the protocol officer will locate your seat and give it to you. Please, don't remove the sticker. If you remove the sticker, we will not have no machine and we will remove you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Nígbà tó ń sọ ní pé àwọn ìjókòó ọ̀kan sí àwọn tí àwọn ìsílẹ̀ fún tí àbílẹ̀ ti wà níbẹ̀ ní síkà yẹn tí orúkọ àwọn ilé ti wà bẹ́ẹ̀ pé wọ́n láti jókòó sílẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ lọ síkà ẹ̀kọ́ pé àwọn ti àwọn tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ pé ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ àwọn ló ṣe bí ọ̀rẹ́ ìdókòó bẹ́ẹ̀ ìdókòó ọmọkùnrin rẹ̀. Kábíyèsí olúkú àti orílẹ̀ ẹ̀dá àgbọ̀sà.
Ọmọ Francis Olúṣọlá Àlàmú olùkọ́ ọ̀gbọ́n ẹgbẹ́ àbọ̀sílẹ̀
Wọ́n kà sí àwọn ẹgbẹ́ yẹn lọ́wọ́. Wọ́n kà sí wọn.
bákan náà Crime TV News àti àbọ̀sílẹ̀
Àbídìgbò 88.7 Fresh FM lákẹ́lú Splash FM olótùkú ẹ̀dá kò ẹ́tì bàbá ní ìgbẹ́ àwọn àtọ́wọ́ pẹ̀lú bèbè àti wéjú olú bàbá tí ń jẹ kàlọ́pọ̀ máa sọ agbọ́dọ̀ mọ̀ ní ẹgbẹ̀rẹ̀ agbókò rí gbogbo ẹ̀ ló sì ti wà lẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ ló ti wà lẹ̀. Wọ́n ṣe kàṣíwájú ààrẹ Mùsùlùmí pé òun ṣá nílà wá. Yẹ́sì, ọba mi ò ní ọ̀fìfẹ́ o. Mo ti kọrin lọ́jọ́ sí pé tálẹ́ǹtì lórí Èdùmàrè ló fún mi láti. Kábíyèsí ti jọba tuntun lásìkò tí Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ọ̀nà tẹ̀síwájú. Tálẹ́ǹtì lórí Èdùmàrè ló fún mi látòkè wá. Olúwa mo ṣe é o, tó kàn mí náà wá. Olúwa mo ṣe é o. Oye tó ní ẹ̀bùn orin, ẹ̀bùn tó níye lórí ẹ̀bùn ṣe, ẹ̀bùn orin, ẹ̀bùn tó níye lórí. Ètò tẹ̀síwájú báyìí nígbà tí a máa ṣe àfihàn àwọn ẹni èèyàn tí wọ́n wá kálọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n àkọ́kọ́ kó dábọ̀ sí ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn tí wọ́n gbà tí wọ́n ti wọ́n yìí wọ́n ti gbé ní excellent on behalf of the executive governor of state executive governor Ṣèyí Mákindé and the people of Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ and Ọ̀dọ̀ I welcome you all once again to the coronation and presentation of staff of office to the 24th Show of the Ogbomoso, His Imperial Majesty Ọba Ghandi Afolabi Ọláoyè. Ẹ dákun lẹ́ẹ̀kan ṣe ṣe kábíyèsí o. Kábíyèsí o. To appropriate this time.
Ojosu ẹnìyẹ ọba ọmọdéka ọmọkọọkọ ẹyẹ ìbára lẹ́yìn ẹkọ akẹbí ẹkú ẹyẹ akẹbí ẹyẹ ọmọ ènìyàn àbọ̀gbé ẹbẹ ènìyàn àṣẹ oríṣẹ alẹ́dùdú o àṣẹ oríṣẹ alẹ́dùdú èyí mọ̀ ọ́ wí irú máa lè lọ́jà ẹ̀ẹ́dà lẹ́dẹ̀ àṣẹ oríṣẹ alẹ́dùdú. Ojú
Sẹ́yìn o, lásìkò tó kọ́ sí gegede, kò sí bù ìjọba àṣeyí ọmọ Mákindé. Ṣèyí ṣèjọba táwọn oníjọ lórí gbogbo nílé ọ̀jọ́ ni kí wọ́n máa gbọ́dọ̀ ṣèyí ọmọ Mákindé orí ìwé òní burú láyé. Ṣèyí ọmọ Mákindé ó mú òjò ọmọ aláti ẹbí òjò. Òjíṣẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ tiẹ̀ lẹ́yìn ìtajà kan, ọmọ apájá fún ọ láwọn jẹ, ọmọ búrúburú ẹgbẹ́ fún wọ́n sì wọ́n ti. Pẹ̀tí ẹ̀jẹ̀ ọmọ àgbàjá fún àwọn ọ̀jẹ̀gbọ̀n pẹ̀tí pẹ̀lú òjò ọmọ ọ̀rọ̀ ti wọ ẹbí òjò. Ọmọ ṣàkóso ṣẹṣẹ wọ́n fi lọ́pọ̀ tó bí ìyẹn lọ́mọ òjò ọmọ búdìbúdì ṣẹ́ẹ́bù wọ́n ti ọmọ rígirígi bẹ̀rí fún ẹ̀kẹ́ ọmọ tóní ìjọba ìwé ọjọ́ ọmọ àdéhùn ọ̀rọ̀ ti wọ
Excellency, the former Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the top issue of Ogbomoso, is a great honor to be here today to celebrate the coronation and official presentation of the instrument and staff of office to His Imperial Majesty Ọba Gandhi Afolabi Ọ̀gáwòye Olúmọ̀gẹ́gẹ́ the top issue of Ogbomoso. We return the sons and daughters of Ogbomoso from our front on this occasion. We also thank the Almighty God who has made this possible. We will not pray whatsoever beginning to His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Oyo State, Governor Seyi Makinde FNSC, for the approval of this without which there wouldn't have been the ceremony of the day. Being an Oba in the land comes with big responsibilities. I implore your Imperial Majesty to ensure maximum cooperation and harmonious relationship
with the government of Oyo State not only attract developmental projects to the city of Ogbomoso but to ensure safety of life and property of all and something in the way. When the righteous reign, the people will trust. We pray that things of joy and rejoicing will be ending in Ogbomoso, in Oyo State, and in Nigeria, and instruments and staff of office are handed over to you today. Therefore, the government of Oyo State, the good people of Oyo State, the sons and daughters of Ogbomoso, and even your friends home and abroad, wish your Imperial Majesty a long, peaceful, and successful reign. Káàdì kí bàtà pẹ́lẹ́sẹ̀ ìgbẹ́yà tó lọ́wọ́ káàbíyèsí thank you and God bless you. Aláàbò ọ̀gbọ́n ọ̀gbọ́n ìjọba ọ̀gbọ́n ní àti ìgbẹ́jọ́ ọ̀hún ìṣẹ́gun ọ̀gbọ́n ìlà. Lẹ́tìlẹ́ntì ìwọ̀n ní àwọn èèyàn lọ́wọ́ sí ìgbẹ́jọ́ Ọ̀ṣun State, His Excellency Senator Adéyẹmí Johnson Lórí Adélékè Ìmọ̀lẹ̀. The round of applause for the governor of Osun State. Gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun Adémọ́lá Jackson nínú ìgbìmọ̀ àwọn náà ti wà ní pẹ̀lú wa. Wọ́n yẹ ẹjọ́ àbàtì wọn kọ̀ ọ̀kan ọ̀. Ìlànà ìṣègbóyè ọ̀kan rẹ̀ tí ó ṣe bí ìrìn ọ̀tẹ̀. Lára àwọn ọba ayé tí wọ́n wá sí nílé láti wá yọ wá sí nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ lápapọ̀ àti nílẹ̀ Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ní pàtàkì. Láti ní kábíyèsí tí ní gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ bá wá ètò ọmọdé sí ọba Dr. Olúbíyì Adéṣọlọ́wọ́ àlámi nígbà kéré ẹ̀rọ àti kábíyèsí o láti ìpínlẹ̀ Kwara ẹ̀mí àti gbogbo Ìlọrin tó ń gbé alága fún Kwara State Council of Chiefs and Others. Àwọn náà fi odidi kábíyèsí Olúwo ti Àjàṣẹ́ kó owó fọwọ́rọ́ṣẹ́ ọba barista Ismail Yahaya Muhammed Atọ́lóyè Alébíoṣù ẹ̀rọ àṣẹ kábíyèsí o ọba olóògbébí o kọmíṣánná fún àwọn ọlọ́pàá nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ ẹni tó wá ṣojú wọn náà ti wà níbí CP Adébọ́lá Hamzat ẹni tí sì ṣojú wọn ní DCP Adéjọbí Akíndé tí wọ́n jẹ́ assistant director DSS Oyo State àwọn náà ṣojú wọn. Nigeria Immigration wọ́n ti ṣojú tiwọn náà níbí o ẹni tí ṣojú wọn ní àbí FA Chukwuma. Bákan náà Nigeria Correctional Service wọ́n ti ṣojú tiwọn náà níbí ẹ̀ka tí Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ TT Òjó ló ṣojú wọn. Ìyára ní bí kábíyèsí ọba Abdulrasheed Olúwo ti ìlú Ìwó àkí àwọn náà káàbọ̀ sí àríwá ní o. Kábíyèsí o. We also must put it on record that by God's grace, our former Chief Judge of Oyo State and by God's grace, the national president, ẹgbẹ́ ọmọ Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ pọ̀lọpọ̀ àgbáyé, wọ́n wà ní láàrin wa láti kí wọn káàbọ̀ sínú Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́. I am welcoming and thanking my Lord, retired Justice Afolabi Adeniran. Thank you very much, my Lord. Thank you. We proceed to the incident and next on the agenda will be visiting residents. Kábíyèsí o, Adáyéluwà ọba Dáńjù Àbọ̀lábí. Ọmọ Ládùnmí ọba òwò ìlú gẹ́gẹ́ ìfọ̀. Bí bá fi orí protocol ti máa ń sopọ̀ oṣù tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ́dún nítorí wípé ẹni tí àwọn aṣèlú lónìí bẹ́ẹ̀ òun náà ni wọ́n kó dáko. Kì í ṣe pé wọ́n ṣaláì mọ̀ nípa pé gẹ́gẹ́ bí ètò ìlera àwọn ọkùnrin tí wọ́n dáko. Àmọ́ àwọn tí wọ́n ti dáko náà ní ọ̀nà iṣẹ́ kíkẹ́ kí wọ́n fi orúkọ àwọn kí ọba wa. Àkókò yìí
ọlọ́jà àmì sí i ó tiẹ̀ ti ń fi ara hàn pé àti ìmọ̀ sí i ọlọ́run yóò fún wa dá sí i nítorí nígbà tí gbogbo nìyẹn ọ̀padà òye tí mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́pọ̀ tààrẹ dẹdẹ wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ òbí ìwọ́ òbí ìtọ́ àwa tí ọlọ́run sì fi bí méjì mẹ́ta mẹ́rin tó fi wá níbi dá alágbára ọmọ lábẹ́ ilé àápẹ́ àkéwì pé ọmọ òbí ẹ̀rọ ọ̀fẹ́ mi kúkú sẹ́yìn ẹ̀dọ́ wa ní bàbá ọkùnrin ìtàkù ẹ̀dọ́ kù lọ́yọ̀jú o ẹ̀rọ̀jẹ̀ nìkan kó kù mẹ́rin o inú mi wá dùn gan-an ẹnu mi sì gbà nígbà ẹjọ́ náà fi àṣẹ yẹn dé lọ́wọ́ láti pé lágbájá ni kò ní kándídéètì kankan gómìnà wa ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ kò ní kándídéètì ó fún Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ó sì fún àwọn ọmọ Láòyè ní gbogbo déyàn pè ní ààyè láti lè yan tí ó wù wọ́n olú ẹnì kankan olú èmi ní àkókò súnmọ́ tó láti rí pé tó ń fẹ́ yìí dára ẹni wá sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yọ ọlọ́pàá orí ẹ̀yà àbálàbà àtàtà òun yẹ wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ní àtọ́tọ́ ọ̀gá gbòòsè gbóná ìrìnà pè ní pẹ̀pẹ́ àwa náà súnmọ́ wọn ò ti fi gbà kankan pé ẹnìkan kan mú wa àtìgbà tí wọ́n àtọ́nìyàn abẹ́ni tí wọ́n ní ìjọba ẹni tó lè mú wọ́ọ̀ṣọ́ àti ẹni ó tún súnmọ́ wọn ìjẹ́ àkókò ọ̀la ni o àgbèrè fún wọn sọ̀rọ̀ yìí kò sáyé kankan tí wọ́n sọ pé dọ́gbọ́n sí ìgbẹ́ni lágbàáyà àbùsẹ̀ ara èyí tí wọ́n tẹ̀ ní ẹlòmíràn ọmọ tó fi rò pé wọ́n ń pálẹ̀ tó bá yẹn nìkan lọ́nfà wọ́n sẹ́ni kankan nu alágbára láti sọ fún gómìnà wa fún lóye yìí oṣù ní ẹmọ ṣe o ẹ̀tọ́ wọn sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ìrìn ọwọ́ tí wọ́n fi sọ àjà egbò ní fi sọ torí ìtọ́lọ́ wọn bá sọ fún ọkàn tó bá fi sí ọkàn ní ṣe ní mo súnmọ́ ìdíwọ́ tó ṣe nù yára lóòótọ́ ni ọba wa ní èèyàn ó ní èèyàn gidi o ẹ̀jẹ̀ o ẹ má wo bàbá yìí ní okó nǹkan ọlọ́run ti sọ ayé pọ̀ mọ́ mi okó tó lé yín o èmi gan bá pé ọlọ́run ló ní ọjọ́ wa o torí èmi ò létí ẹrú amẹ́ríkánà ọdún báyìí bí kò fẹ́ ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ báyìí ọlọ́run ló ní orí bẹ́ẹ̀ o ọlọ́run bá wá ní orí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ọlọ́run ní ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀kọ́jọ́ mọ̀ sí o ó ní mọ̀ ọkọ ní ọba ó ní òde ọba ní àwọn alájọsọ tí wọ́n pọ̀ fẹ́sì dábàá ibi tí ibi tí wọ́n máa ń pèsè tí wọ́n tó ti wá jẹ́ ìdí coronation ẹ̀mí àmọ̀ pé ìjọba wọn gbà fún bẹ́ẹ̀ ó tó di pé vice president tí wọ́n máa wá ṣe coronation tẹ́wọ̀n orí ìgbà wípé ṣe pé kí wọ́n rí èdè ṣe ṣe àgbọ̀lọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́run àwọn ọlọ́run lọ́yìn èyí tó gbé fi dáhà lókùnrin tó mọ fún onímọ̀ àtẹ̀tẹ̀ pé gbogbo ẹni bá ní àpò yóò lọ́pa ọlọ́run ni o kò sẹ́yìn kẹta gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ ìjọ ọlọ́run ọba lọ nítorí pé bó ti ẹgbẹ́ àbí ìṣàwọn lè fẹ́ lọ sí ọlọ́run náà ló ṣe gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ ìjọ wà. nítorí náà ẹ wọ́n jẹ́ kí ẹnì kẹta sọ pé nítorí bá ara ṣe ìta ara ń bọ́ ọmọ ọgbọ́n rárá ó ti ẹ̀ fi ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ọ̀wá kan tóbi tí ó ń jẹ́ kó gbogbo àwọn tí ẹ̀rọ bá kan lónìí tí wọ́n ní ó ti jẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n kà sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Yorùbá ní ọba fúnmi àti ló ti jẹ́ bá sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ bí jẹ́ bá sọ ẹlẹ́sìn kan òṣùpá kan pẹ̀lú wọn kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Gbogbo wa ló fúnráyè láti máa ìsúnmọ́ àti ẹlẹ́sìn ìṣẹ́yìn tó ń jẹ́ àti ẹlẹ́sìn ìfúnfúnlẹ̀ tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ jẹ́ àti àwọn bàbá àwọn ìṣẹ̀dáyé bàbá tí wọ́n jẹ́ ìsìn gbogbo wa ló fúnráyè láti lè dá sọ̀rọ̀ bí ìjì lọ torí náà nígbà tó ti wá ń ṣe ni àwọn tí a rò pé ilẹ̀ ìdákẹ́jẹ́ wọn ṣe kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ olóòtú ti pé àwọn èèyàn ara tí wọ́n ti ń dára yẹ́sọ̀ kò sí wàhálà kẹ̀kẹ́ láàrin wa kò sọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn wọn alákẹ́kẹ́ èyí tó sọ̀rọ̀ yìí kí mo fẹ́ sọ sí òbí kí wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀sìn ṣé àkàbà ló mú ṣé ìyáálé rẹ̀ ló lè lọ lọ́jọ́ àyà ni àbí ìyàwó tó jẹ́ àkóso torí náà kò sí mẹ́gàmẹ́gà kankan ẹlẹ́sìn kankan wọ́n ẹ láti ṣe owó pè wọ́n wọ́n wà á ti lọ wọ́n kò sí wàhálà kankan ọ̀rọ̀ òsì káyọ̀ ó ti gbọ́ nítorí náà àwọn tí tí wọ́n dúró ti ìjọba nígbà tí èsì ìjọba àmọ̀ wọn lò lọ́wọ́. ṣùgbọ́n àwọn aránṣẹ́ ọlọ́run lọ́wọ́ ní ilé àwọn òṣèlú ṣe lọ sábà bí wọ́n jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ kan ni wọ́n ṣe o. wọ́n tẹ̀lé nìkan lọ kó igbó sí i lápò ẹ̀dákájá òṣèṣe gbogbo ẹtí òṣèṣe wọ́n ti ṣèṣe báyìí. torí náà ọlọ́run ló dá àkókò nígbà yẹn àgbọ̀gbọ́n àtòyé àti dúkìá. ó ní èèyàn bí ṣe gbogbo ẹtí gbígbà ọlọ́run ti bá wọn wò láàárín èso ìjọba aláṣẹ tí wọ́n mú káàkiri wọ́n ní káàkiri níbẹ̀ ẹ máa ṣe ẹ ṣàfihàn yóò ẹ ṣàfihàn yóò àwọn ọba àwọn òṣèṣì wọn náà ló ṣe ó ṣe láti mẹ́jú ó sì kẹ́lẹ́ ẹ̀mẹ́ ògùn lọ́dọ̀ àlàáfíà àti inú níbi àpèsè bá bí èsì ó.
Ṣòro of promotion ọba ẹgbẹ́ àfọlábí lọ́rùn òun gbígbé ọba the 21st term of promotion good afternoon. My name is Olusegun Adekunle, the proud son of promotion. I stand before you on behalf of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Senator Dr. George Akume, CON. I bring you his message. He has personally signed a letter, a congratulatory letter to WC, and I will proceed to read that letter. It is agreed and honor for me to be invited to be part of a momentous occasion such as this celebration. And I deeply regret that their commitments have prevented me from being here in person. That is why I have sent the one song for Olusegun Adekunle OON to represent me. Firstly, let me congratulate the government and people of Oyo State, taking with engineer Seyi Makinde for making the wise choice, for making the right choice. I also join the entire people of Igboland in expressing our heartfelt congratulations and deepest felicitations on the ascension of Ọba Ghandi of Labilang, who remotely the top to the revived throne of the shrine of the nation. Your appointment as remotely the top is a testament to exceptional qualities, leadership potential, and unwavering commitment to the progress and well-being of Yobe. It is unbelievable that our royal fathers play very pivotal role in the fabric of our nation. They not merely custodians of our rich traditions and cultural heritage, but also leaders of societal guidance, fostering unity, promoting peace, and championing the development of their communities. For personal journey, the Majesty is a shining example of what I have just described. The success as a renowned pastor of one of the largest redeemed parishes in the United States, coupled with the accomplishments as a successful businessman, speaks volumes of wisdom, dedication, and faith in God.
Your humility and dedication to your people are further testaments to your worthiness for this estate position. I am confident that you will lead the commercial land with fairness, with firmness, and a deep sense of justice. That is, as you embark on this new chapter, I urge you to leverage your vast network and exceptional leadership qualities for great prosperity, not only to commercial land, but to the entire Borough and indeed our nation at large. We will be marked by progress, unity, and unwavering faith in God. I pray that you have bestowed the behavior of Solomon and the grace of God throughout the week. Please accept my heartfelt congratulations once more, and the presentation of the staff of office be a glorious and auspicious occasion. With the warmest regards, Senator Dr. George Akure, FNIL CON, Secretary to the Government of the Federation. Excellency, that was the letter from the Secretary to the Government of the Federation. What did the Cabinet and the Honorable Olori, I convey the congratulatory message of peace of the Secretary to the Government of the Federation, and we all wish you the nation shall become more prosperous, more peaceful. We shall enjoy peaceful coexistence, we shall enjoy security, we shall enjoy progress, and we shall enjoy growth in our economy. Thank you very much, Excellency. Thank you very much. We will take the next global message, which will come all the way from Kwara State. Representing the Executive Governor of Kwara State, His Excellency Dr. Abdulrahman Abdulrazak, is his deputy. His Excellency Pramadi Alawi, welcome, Your Excellency. Round of applause for you, last sponsor. Here, Kwara. Your Excellency, the former Vice President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Shibadot, ACN, Kisule, Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Oyo State, Engineer Seyi Makinde, Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Osun State, Senator Adeyi Kaduna, Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Oyo State, Barrister Abdulrahim Lawal, Honorable Governor Sir President, the senior members of the National Assembly are present, the Royal Highness, the Royal Officer, Obadiah Henderson, Bruce, Your Excellency President, the Royal Emergency Issue of Marshall, Obadiah the Flag Lawyer, the Royal Highness Double functionaries here present, couple of members of the Academic Committee here present, President of the guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the people of Kwara State and government, I join the Oyo State government to congratulate His Royal Highness on the wish of more Obadiah Afolabi and Obadiah Free. In the section to the show of his four flowers. The Highness has been tested, confirmed to be worthy of his ancestral throne, in the symbol of unity, dignity, and uniqueness of the people of the nation. I truly commend the people of this ancient kingdom and yet another historic transition and the beginning of another epoch in the colorful history of the nation. Royal Highness, before you, a task to make all sons and daughters of Mojo together under a big canopy. I'm confident that Your Royal Highness will embrace all in our interest of this great community. I pray that the land for Mojo and its people will prosper, will reign, and
pray that Almighty God will hear and answer all your prayers for this land. And the hand of God will be upon you to guard and direct you daily. The days will be longer than anyone who has sat upon this throne. The wisdom and favor of God will be with you to surpass the great witnesses of your initials from years. The music happens in God bless you.
His Excellency Senator Ademola Jackson Newby Adeleke. A round of applause for His Excellency as he comes forward to deliver. Àwọn sí ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun báyìí, gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun ẹgbẹ́ àwọn ọba sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí.
Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ṣe ní ìdílé mi Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́ Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́ Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Sing along with me. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Mo dúpẹ́. Listen, èmi nìkan ló gbé. Ìwé ẹnìkan rán. Ìdí tí mo fi lè bàbá wà orí ìgbọ̀ngàn. Èmi nìkan ló yẹ. Òye ẹ̀gbọ̀ngàn. Ìdí tí mo fi lè bàbá orí ìgbọ̀ngàn. Lọ́sàn ìgbọ̀ngàn. Wọ́n lè gbọ́n. and the federal government of Nigeria. Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, Honorable, my brother, His Excellency, Engineer Mohammed and other distinguished colleagues, members of those who are presently institutional presidents, other distinguished political functionaries, officers, their president, our Baba Olufufe, is a good majesty of our anything, Ogunwusi of the land sector. My own Baba, Tinubu, Oba Olufufe, and others, religious leaders and other prominent personnel, security operatives, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I am elated to attend this celebration. I brought the message of men and people of our state to the captaincy of my Shuri Revolution on the end of glory. I also give way of my family, especially my big brother, Dr. Mutsadeke. Obviously, long congratulations. Wishing you peaceful. I pray for long life and prosperity. And I can you in the guys, I love you all as well. I want
Your Excellencies, distinguished and eminent personalities, our royal fathers, will take the fifth tribute message. àti gómìnà Ọ̀ṣun Excellency Abímbọ́lá Adélékè àti gómìnà àmì náà gómìnà Látàrí Ìfọlá igbákejì gómìnà Ọ̀yọ́ Ìkẹyìn àti igbákejì gómìnà Kwara náà bẹ́ẹ̀. Ó ní kí gbogbo àwọn orí adé àti ohun ẹ̀gbẹ́ kan wà ní gbogbo ọ̀tà kì í kí ọ̀rọ̀ orí ìfẹ́. Ìjọba Highness àti ìgbéyèsí ìjáde sí. Ó lè kí oníwọ̀ wọlé. Ìjọba ọmọdé sí oníwọ̀ wọlé. Àti oníwọ̀ wọlé. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbéyèsí ìpínlẹ̀ àti gbogbo àwọn kábíyèsí tó wọ́n wà ní lórí. Ìwọ́n ìlú ọgbọ́n Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ni ọjọ́ orí gbogbo àwọn olóore táwà ní ọjọ́ta náà wá sókè o. Àwọn olóore nìkan máa ń fọ́nà wọ́n gbogbo wá gbogbo wọn náà ń ní olórí ọlọ́run lè fi wáyé alẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọdún Olódùmarè fún onígbọ́n ìrìn ìgbọ́ tí àwọn àfihàn ọba jẹ gbogbo àtàrúurú ọmọ ọmọ àríwá Yorùbá lójoojúmọ́ náà ni àwọn gómìnà wa gbé wọn orí ìjọba tó jẹ tí gómìnà ọba gbà ó gbogbo gómìnà wa púpọ̀ ìwọ̀n ṣe bí àwọn ẹgbẹ́ àjọyọ̀ wọn ní kandidate ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tó gbogbo ìpínlẹ̀ ẹ̀rọ kandidate wọn tó gbọ́ ipò tí ojú gómìnà ṣe tí wọ́n mọ̀ pé wọ́n mọ̀ wọ́n nígbà bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe dáadáa ìlú gbogbo Ọ̀yọ́ àdó. Ẹni tí àrùn jẹ ṣòwò ọ̀pọ̀ náà lórí mi ó jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi tímọ́tímọ́ èyí ṣe ẹgbẹ́ pẹ̀lú ọmọ dáadáa ṣùgbọ́n kankan tí mo mọ̀ pẹ̀ tí mo rẹ̀ tètè bẹ́ẹ̀ ló wá ní ọlọ́dún náà láti jẹ́ sọ pé èèyàn tó ní irúfẹ́ púpọ̀ ẹ̀rọ kan ní arí bí òwúrọ̀ ní ìfẹ́ rẹ̀ tí ó ní ìfẹ́ rẹ̀ púpọ̀ kò sẹ́ tí ò ní ìfẹ́ rẹ̀ ó lè máa kò fẹ́ rẹ̀ gbogbo wa náà láti máa rí ìgbàgbọ́ tó ẹ̀ pé ẹ̀rọ tí ó kúta ẹ̀ pé ó lè kọ́ ni àwọn tó ìgbà náà láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ pé láti ẹ̀sọ́ tó ẹ̀ jù ó máa gba ìgbọ́rú ṣùgbọ́n lóòótọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí èmi ẹ̀rù ń pẹ̀ gbogbo nǹkan tó ń pẹ̀ ní pé kí nǹkan tó yẹ kí gbọ́ pé ó bá lè rí yàn ní ojú lóòótọ́ ó lè ní pé èèyàn fún wa wà lórí pẹ́ òun náà ó máa lè bá ṣe ọlọ́wà pẹ̀ ṣe kábíyèsí wọ́n kò lè rí pé wọ́n kò support you and wọ́n kò step in. Mo lè kí àwọn ọmọ náà ní àwọn kábíyèsí olórí wà ìṣòro ọlọ́run náà máa kó tì í ẹ̀tọ́ ìwọ̀n ti kábíyèsí ọ̀rọ̀ àgbètì. Kábíyèsí okun èrò dáadáa lórí ògùn gbọdọ̀ ògùn ẹ̀ lọ́nà máa jẹ́ kó ṣeé ṣe fún ẹ̀yìn tìjú ẹ̀yìn sẹ́yìn gbogbo ìpàdé máa lọ síwájú ìlọsíwájú la máa rí ókè ẹ ó máa rí ẹ̀lérí wàhálà gbogbo tí wọ́n máa fún ṣe nínú pẹ̀lú máa jẹ́ àṣírí iṣẹ́ o God bless you.
Round of applause for Professor Yemi Osinbajo.
Àpẹẹrẹ ọ̀dọ̀gbọ̀n Yemi Osinbajo ẹgbẹ́ tí wọ́n fún ìrìn wà lọ. For information and orientation, this commissioner of Police of Ogbomoso wrote the biography in December 1995 of the late son, the person we're about to talk about, Emidia Bowen. Honorable Commissioner for Information and Orientation in your state, please, Dr. Oluwabi. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nípa kábíyèsí ọláyélúwà ọba Ghandi Àfọlábí Ọláoyè Olúmọdéke ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹta látẹnu kọmíṣánná fún ètò ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́.
Your Excellency, the former Vice President of the Republic of Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osinbajo. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Oyo State, Engineer Seyi Makinde. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Osun State, Chief
Kola Adeleke, the deputy governors of Oyo and Kwara states, KBCs, and top dignitaries who are here. I now going to stand on the aforementioned protocol. His Imperial Majesty Ọba Gandhi Afọlábí Ọláoyè Olúdẹ̀dẹ̀ before Ṣọ̀ún of Ìgbómọ̀ṣọ́lá. He's a visionary leader, a motivational speaker, and entrepreneur known for his immense commitment to excellence and leadership skills. Ọba Gandhi is the Chief Executive Officer of Peculiar People Management (PPM) and Divonary Limited, management and human resources consulting companies based in Lagos, Nigeria, and Maryland in the United States of America. His Imperial Majesty Ọba Gandhi is the chairman and co-founder of Great Place to Work Institute, Nigeria, and the director of Great Place to Work Institute, United Kingdom, based in London. GPTW is a global research and management consultancy company that recognizes the best workplaces in over 56 countries worldwide and provides premier business and advisory services. Also, the chairman of Voice Oil and Gas Aston, a Nigerian independent marketer of petroleum products, storage, distribution, and sales. Voice Engineering Company, which is a value-driven energy company providing eco-friendly and innovative services in the upstream, midstream, and downstream sectors. Ọba Gandhi is chairman of BUOJO Limited, a telecommunications support services and information technology consulting company. Ọba Gandhi is also the chairman of Education Advancement Support Services (e-Governance), a limited company focusing on engagement and fundraising technology for our institutions. His Imperial Majesty served on the board of the National Council on Privatization (NCP) and the board of the Board of Public Enterprise (BPE) between 2017 and 2021. Ọba Gandhi is a member of the Board of Trustees of Strategy for Monitoring Initiative and Leadership Empowerment STRAD, a young entrepreneurship for development and a non-profit organization. In January 2009, Governor Martin Buhari of Maryland in the United States of America invited Ọba Gandhi to serve as an advisor and council member on the Council for New Americans. He served a foreign tenure of the council and assisted the governor to form policies on immigration and migration into the state of Maryland. His Imperial Majesty serves on the board of the Smile on Their Faces Initiative, which is a non-profit initiative focused group for people living with disabilities. Ọba Gandhi served as the chairman of a real estate development project in Floyd, Texas, in the USA, where he oversaw the development of over 700 acres of a campus, a college, a housing estate, and a 20,000 seat auditorium. A founding member of the board of directors of Adam Smith Investment and Financial Company in Ikoyi, Lagos here, between 1990 and 1993. Founding member of the board of directors at Touchmark Saving and Loans, Lagos, between 1992 and 1995, and member of the board of directors at Bonabis Finance Company. This was between 1991 and 1994. An assistant of the International Film Board Holders Association, ITBOA, a forum created to exchange cross-cultural ideas globally chaired by the late Dr. Miles Monroe. He represented Miles Monroe International in Nigeria for over 10 years. Obama is an influential community leader recognized in Nigeria by former Nigerian President Olusegun Obasanjo in 2001 and the United States of America by President Barack Obama in 2011. He is a recipient of the Youth Empowerment and Positive Mentoring of Africans in the diaspora and world, award conferred by the African Business Roundtable in the year 2008. Obadendi graduated with a Bachelor of Arts degree in 1982 from the prestigious Obafemi University in Nigeria, which is the former University of Ife, with honors in English and Library Studies. He holds a Master's in Industry and Labor Relations with emphasis on Human Resource Management from Nigeria's Premier University, the University of Ibadan, in 1987. Born on August 23, 1961, he enjoys traveling and has been to over 65 countries in Europe, Asia, Australia, the Caribbean, North and South America, the Pacific Islands and Africa. His other interests include swimming and playing Scrabble. His Imperial Majesty, Oba Kennedy Afolabi Olaomi, is an ordained minister married to all Olaomi and has 2 children, Bento and Olumi. Greetings, distinguished personalities. We have come to the high point of today's event. Please, with a round of applause, make welcome the Executive Governor of Oyo State, His Excellency Governor Seyi Makinde, as he comes forward to perform the official handing over of staff of office to the 24th show.
This way of offering to a ruling house chairperson about the powers conferred on me as the Executive Governor of Oyo State and an exercise of the powers. I hereby confirm Ọba Nnamdi Ọláoyè Oriri gẹ́gẹ́ ìtọ́jú. As the Ṣòun of Ogunwusi land. So now we have the instrument of office and we also hand over the staff of office. Thank you, Excellency. Obviously, we have your seats. The next on the agenda was to hear officially. I'd like to hear officially from the 21st Ṣòun of Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́. Àwọn òdòdó tó jáde ní oṣù kábíyèsí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, from Ọba Ghandi Ọláoyè. Fún ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ lẹ́yìn tí kábíyèsí Ọba Ghandi Afọlábí. Before I give my speech, I want to give honor to whom honor is due. And that is my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. He has spoke today to the possible to me. This is what He has wanted for me from the foundations of the world. So I give God all the glory today. And that which He has proposed in my life, He has made me to be alive to witness it. So I give Him all of the glory. I also want to tell, because God gave His human beings to fulfill a lot of our dreams and our aspirations, and most especially our destiny. I want to thank my doctor, my boss, the doctor of Oyo State, Engineer General Gregory, the Excellency, I am most grateful and most appreciative because we are the one who want to fulfill this destiny of my life. I want to also thank the former Vice President, His Excellency Professor Jeremiah Chibaki, that in your busy schedule, you are still by me and you still find time to come. And also, you are very good friend of many years. And you have always been supportive of the things I do. We are in his family. We are very good family. But I don't know the governor of Osun State. He is here today. I always feel part of that family. I also then maybe I should take my name to their names. So thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate you. So the governor, the Deputy Governor of Kwara State, thank you so much. Former Governor of Oyo State, and all the eminent personality, former Minister for Information, and many other people who are here today. And of course, to the royalties that are here today, I really want to thank you. You know, people. And also my very personal friend, who work with
is someone who was my school father when I was in high school. He is also a king of Apollari. I really honor you. Thank you for the support. And we're always consulting you for tutelage because it's been doing this thing for so many years. On my good team. And thank you for all you've done for me in my life. I really appreciate you. And to all the other royalties, the level of and the ignorance. My speech is titled by Dream and Reality for Ogbomoso. Because we call those things that are not as though they are. And that's why I try to read my dream and my reality. Today marks a momentous occasion as I receive my stamp of office from His Excellency Engineer Seyi Makinde, the Executive Governor of our great state, Oyo State. I am humbled by this great responsibility of leading the people of Ogbomoso land as their king. I see in my call to serve as an appointment from God. I am grateful to Him for having seen me worthy of this office. To Him and Him alone, that is the great Jehovah, the all of the glory and the adoration and the praise. Today Ogbomoso land stands at the crossroad of history. And I would like to appeal to all the stakeholders in the destiny of this great land for us to work together to ensure that Ogbomoso land fulfills the great potentials that the Almighty God has ingrained within us. It is one fact that the sons and daughters of Ogbomoso land are among the most industrious and entrepreneur people in this nation. No community can embark on any significant development that we want for Ogbomoso land without the government's input. We are thankful for the role that the government at the three levels, the federal, the state, and the local government, has played in developing Ogbomoso land. In the past, and which they have continued to play. We are particularly grateful to the government of Engineer Seyi Makinde for its attention to the Ogbomoso land since he assumed office about 5 years ago. But there is this adage that says that charity begins at home. And I would like to address my sons and daughters of Ogbomoso land as we are the major stakeholder in this project of my dream and the reality of Ogbomoso land. Let me start with those who reside in Ogbomoso land. Let my congregation let it be a celebration of a collective reaffirmation of our shared destiny. I intend to be a king to serve, irrespective of religion, irrespective of the gender, and irrespective of other things that might differentiate us. The strength of our kingdom lies not in the crown and where, but in the bonds that bind us together. That is where our strength is. And the bonds of loyalty, respect, and mutual understanding. To my sons and daughters who live and work outside of Ogbomoso land, I would like to appeal to you to turn your attention to our own land, Ogbomoso land. I have personally done so. That is why I left one of the most successful ministries in the United States of America, and to the day-to-day management of a string of successful businesses that come and my son on to come and serve the people of Ogbomoso. Those are not asking you to do the same in the physical sense. I am asking you to join hands with me by giving of your time, by giving of your talent, and by giving of your treasure. With us to develop Ogbomoso. I dare to dream today to see a creator for Ogbomoso. And I will note that Ogbomoso will be mentioned as one of the major cities of the world. That when they mention great cities in this world, Ogbomoso will be amongst those that will be mentioned by the grace of God. My service is premised on a very, very clear vision. I'm very aware of the world of one of the wisest men and the wisest king that ever lived. That is recorded in the holy book of the Proverbs. That says, without a vision, the people perish. Without a vision, the people run amok. So I have a vision for Ogbomoso. I have a very clear vision for what I want this town to look like. And that's why I call it my dream and the reality of it. My vision for a prosperous and peaceful Ogbomoso rests on the detail 25-year plan to be unveiled in the coming months. I promise to serve this vision with all that I have. The relationships I have built over the years here in Nigeria and abroad, the experience that I've gained to run several successful businesses, the skills that I've gained also for more than 30 years in the executive and sitting on the board of different corporations, and also the 32 years that I spent pastoring people and pastoring pastors. This is what I bring to serve this great city. I always say I have stopped being a pastor of a local church. I have become a shepherd of a city and of a people. The people whom I will serve are not just Christians, are not only just Muslims, are not only just who follow various African religions. I have come to serve everyone, whether you believe in your maker or not. As your servant, leader, I promise to uphold the values of our tradition that defines us. A commitment to justice, a commitment to liberty, a commitment to fairness to all, and most especially a love and compassion of God. Let this be our watchword for Ogbomoso. Before bringing this address to a close, I wish to pay special tribute to our immediate and past Showing of Ogbomoso. His Imperial Majesty, late Oba Dr. Chimo Olajumobi Ajagunmade III, for his unprecedented and milestone achievement during his lifetime and his reign in Ogbomoso. He brought a lot of glory to this post. I intend to not bring it down, but to take it onto a higher level. I really appreciate him because he was also a father figure even to me. He made this position an enviable position in this nation. As I'm ready to build on this achievement, and by the grace of God and with your support, I take Ogbomoso to distant heights in not too distant of age. I would like to say a big thank you to the president of this country, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for his leadership in providing for Nigeria, that is providing for Nigeria at this time. I also want again to salute Engineer Seyi Makinde, the executive governor of the state, who will lead from our 25-year development plan, for graciously accepting my selection as the Shehu of Ogbomoso land by the kingmakers. I also thank you sincerely for coming personally to present this type of office to me. To the kingmakers, led by I-Chief Chobalaje Otowolu, the Ariago of Ogbomoso land, and to all the kingmakers, I say thank you. I especially recognize all your praise and relentlessly courage and determination in ensuring that the selection process that produced me as Shehu was thorough, was credible, and was only fair in spite of what some few people have said. I cannot end this address without thanking the larger Olaoye family of Ogbomoso land, led by our able Mogaji, Prince Amos Olawale Olaoye, for facilitating the real privilege of representing all the different places. To my brothers who contested this so with me, let us put the past behind and let us fall ahead. There can be only one Shehu of Ogbomoso at the time, and God who gives it to whosoever He pleases Him. And by His grace at this time, I am the chosen one, and He has given the school of Shehu to you. And I appeal to you for all to please join hands with me to further positively protect the good name of the Olaoye family, the Ogbomoso children, for the benefit of the Ogbomoso land, and for the humanity in general. Finally, my people of Ogbomoso land, let us remember that people will journey Ogbomoso. Ogbomoso and people go out. I don't know how. Àti pé mo kọ ìsinmi wà fún wa o. Please be ready for this city. God bless you.
Kábíyèsí lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí o. Ìwọ òsì àwọn gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀ṣun, ọ̀gá wa lọ́wọ́ wa Jackson Adémọ́lá lórí Adeleke fún àtìlẹ́yìn. Ọwọ́ ní tó ìgbẹ́kẹ́ ní fọwọ́ tí lé ìgbà láàbò ní fọwọ́ tí ẹ̀ bá òbí o. Wọ́n ní gbogbo Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ o. Wọ́n ní àwọn tí kò ní olùṣọ́ àgùntàn ìjọ kékeré kẹ́lú pọ́nà kan o. Wọ́n ní àwọn ti di aṣíwájú fún gbogbo Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ti lé tókó láì fi ti ẹ̀sìn tàbí ẹ̀yà kankan ṣe bí tí wò lọ. Wọ́n ní gbogbo àwọn báwọn lójú ẹ̀ṣọ́ owó gẹ́gẹ́ àwọn gẹ́gẹ́ ṣe bàbá àwọn ẹ̀lú láàrin wọ́n ní wọ́n fọ́ wọ́n ló kí á dì wọ́n ra wa orílẹ̀-èdè oṣù náà yẹn wà lórí ipò bẹ́ẹ̀ kan ṣoṣo. Wọ́n wá ní tó ètò ti wà lẹ̀ tí àwọn ti ṣe tó jẹ́ ètò ìdàgbàsókè òun tẹ̀síwájú orí ìkan márùndínlọ́gbọ̀n tí ìdàgbàsókè Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ wọ́n ní gbogbo àwọn àjọ ṣe gbogbo àwọn àjọ pé lárugẹ. Èmi sì wà pé gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ bíbí Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ojú òní tì ní ojú tí ẹ̀yìn ẹjọ́ fún kábíyèsí láti wá o má ṣe kábíyèsí o. Ọ̀gbìn ní sísọ sókè òkúrẹ́ àwọn tó ń sọ lóko.
Honor and privilege to people of thanks
On this honorable occasion for the coronation and presentation of form of office, His Imperial Majesty Ọba Ghandi Afolabi Olaoye, the Olumide Church of Ogbomoshola. Let me first of all give glory to God for making this event a good success. We are grateful to His Excellency Dr. Seyi Makinde for his approval and support, without which the event will not be possible. Your Excellency, you have made a good legacy, and I pray that as you started well, you will also end well. Our approval goes to the Deputy Governor and other top government functionaries that are here today. The Lord will bless you. Our village ministry are appreciated for taking time out of your great. Thank you all. I thank all the students like this, of the media, for displaying interest in all who ask, who are behind the scene. The contributions have outbound and noticed. We are grateful for all you are doing. We are here with a very discussion here and here. Thank you and God bless you. Ìdílé àwọn ìdílé orúkọ Jésù láti wí láyé wọn. Àgbẹ̀ wọn àgbàdo ìlú. Wọ́n ní káwọn ọmọ wọn ní káwọn gbogbo wọn. Ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ọ̀gbàdo láti fi káwọn gómìnà. Gómìnà gbogbo àga ló ṣe gbogbo ètò lóde gbogbo ètò ló ń tẹ̀. Nítorí ìgbà ní gbogbo ìwà òní máa tó ẹ̀sẹ̀ òní máa jẹ. Láwọn èèyàn tó kọ́ wájú gómìnà ni. Gbogbo àwọn ọba àwọn àgbègbè wọ́n lọ yọjú sí gómìnà wọ́n yọjú sí kábíyèsí. Ọlọ́run ló fọ́tò ti gbẹ́lẹ́ àná. Ẹnu ní orí ìdìbò ìyàwó fọ́tò ẹni lórí yíyà. Àyẹ̀wò náà tún lọ fọ́tò láti orí screen àlọ́dọ́ cameraman. Ẹgbẹ́ ìdílé náà jẹ́jẹ́ fi ọ̀nà alẹ̀ fún gómìnà. Bàbá wa kí àgbègbè ọ̀nìyàn ká lè ṣètò pápá àpárá. Àwọn oníṣẹ́ lóko kábíyèsí.
Freshmen, please clear the way. Please, with a round of applause, make welcome. Executive Governor for your state is Governor Seyi Makinde.
Ọmọ Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ eléyìí yẹn ni àbí ọ̀yẹ́ ni Ọmọ Mákindé ọmọ Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ọ̀run múgàrì kábíyèsí ẹ̀kọ́bí olúkókó ti ipò kẹ́kọ́bí olúkókó ti ipò ẹ̀kọ́bí àpapọ̀ àpapọ̀ tó fọwọ́rú sókè ọgbọ́rú kékeré lókòkì èyí tó bá ní ẹkú kọ́kà ló bá rí iyá èyí tó ní èyí kọ́kà lápáta ọkàn bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ́ni ẹkú ló ní ọdún ìfẹ́mẹ̀ẹ́dínlógún omi ọ̀rọ̀ ló pinnu èyí tí mi ní ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀nà ọ̀sán ló ní ọ̀sẹ̀ oṣù ló ní ọlọ́sọ̀nà Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ìbílẹ̀ tó ìlú tẹ́tí ìdẹ́ka tí ó ti mú nǹkan yege sí kábíyèsí òrìṣà kan ní mọ̀yọ̀ ọ̀tà kẹ́rì òrìṣà kan ní mọ̀yọ̀ ọ̀tà ògún ni yóò kọ́ dé yìí lápá àfọ̀n òrìṣà kan ní mọ̀yọ̀ ògún ni yóò kọ́ dé yìí lápá àfọ̀n òrìṣà kan ní mọ̀yọ̀ ọ̀tà omi tuntun ìdọ̀gún ọmọ Mákindé àsìkò rẹ̀ tún gbogbo ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ láàrin ìgbìmọ̀ èèyàn kọ̀ọ̀kan fún òṣì ọmọ Mákindé ọmọ tẹ́ẹ̀bù ní kú ẹni náà ní kó sọnù lọ àwọn ọmọ owó bẹ́ẹ̀ báwo wọ́n ẹ̀yìn ìṣègùn ní yídàmù ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ sọ́mọ́yàwó ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ sàmọ̀yọ̀ olúwa lọ́sẹ̀ yẹ sàmọ̀yọ̀.
Ó ṣe ohun ọmọdé. Your Excellency, the immediate Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osinbajo, SAN, GCON. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Kwara State and the Chairman of Nigerian Governors Forum, Governor Abdulrahman Abdulrazak, ably represented by his deputy, His Excellency Kayode Anabi. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Osun State, my Indian brother, Governor Demola Adeleke. Your Excellency, the former military governor of Oyo and Ogun State, Major General Oladayo Kukola, retired. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Oyo State, Barrister Abdulrahim Adebayo Lawal. Your Excellency, the former Deputy Governor of Oyo State, Engineer Hamid Badamasi. I have a long protocol list. I'll try and complete it. Our representatives are both at the national and the state level. They are duly recognized. As I'm going to start then, and also foreign ministers that are here, diplomats, I'm Prince of Law, Chairman Federal Revenue, Secretary to the state government, and all the state government officials are duly recognized. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin orí adé ọmọ ẹ̀kẹ́ ẹ̀bùn kí ẹ̀yin náà tó fún àwọn ìdílé látọ̀dọ̀ ní ọ̀fífẹ́ olú ọ̀gbọ̀nrí Olúbàdàn Ìbàdàn land ẹ̀yìn àìlọ́rí àwọn gbogbo ọ̀gbọ̀nrí náà wọ́n kò recognize gbogbo yìí. The elders, the leaders, members of the Advisory Council, Oyo State Elders Council, the duly recognized other political functionaries, permanent secretaries, heads of main ministerial departments and agencies, eminent personalities that are here to grace this occasion, the duly recognized leaders and members of PDP, Tuwambi, and other political parties here present, children, family members, and friends of the new Shawu of Ogbomoso that came from far and wide, prominent religious leaders, leaders of markets, traders, artisans, association that are here, you duly recognized. Gbogbo èyí tó ní ìlú Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ẹ̀bùn kí ní o distinguished invited guests, gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Well, it's Kenya tó lọ ó yà pé everybody tó ń wá wọn kọrin ní ẹgbẹ́ kébí náà kọrin kékeré kan orin yẹn náà orin tí mo kọ káàkiri nígbà tí mo ṣe kàmpéènì má bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ wọn ò gbẹjọ́ wẹ́wẹ́ kàṣà máa tún bẹ́ẹ̀ tó sọ kàṣà máa tún bẹ́ẹ̀ tó sọ kàṣà máa tún bẹ́ẹ̀ tó sọ ọ̀rọ̀ ò gbẹjọ́ kàṣà máa tún bẹ́ẹ̀ tó sọ. Ẹ ṣeun, brọ́dà mi, gómìnà Ọ̀ṣun, ó ti bribe àwọn tó wà ní ẹ̀yìn pé ẹni pé when he was singing, wọ́n ní ìwé tó jáde sókè ní ìpínlẹ̀ mo ti ní ẹ̀mí sí so next time á tún ṣètò. Well, it's a great honor to be here today to celebrate the coronation and the presentation of flag of office to the 21st Ṣọ̀ún of Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ land, Ọba Ghandi Ọláoyè. Gbogbo ibi tí àwọn ẹgbẹ́ ní Yorùbá bá ń fi àmì sórí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wa, everybody ń sọ Olúmọ̀dédè Olúmọ̀ṣẹ́lẹ̀kẹ̀ ó ti rí ibi tí wọ́n ti fi àmì sórí ẹ̀ tó kọ síbẹ̀ ní pé Olúmọ̀gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ Olúmọ̀gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ the top. When I replaced with the sons and daughters of Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ land, both at home and in diaspora, ìgbà tí Kábíyèsí sọ̀rọ̀, and he said Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ land during his reign will be among the top cities in the world. Well, what are there? Because Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ is in Ọ̀yọ́ state. So, and also I read through his during his citation, he said he worked with the governor of Maryland on immigrant integration into the state of Maryland. Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ti di a top city. Your knowledge of the integration now, how come handy? Because a lot of us, you will integrate us also into Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ land. Well, today, Tuesday, the 19th December 2023, is a great day. It is the day that the Lord has made, and it is marvelous in our eyes. I have 2 or 3 points to make. The first one is I've discussed with Kábíyèsí privately the steps that must be taken to ensure the unity of Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ land. But it is not just Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ land that you have to work for its unity. You have to work for the unity of the traditional council in Ọ̀yọ́ state. Kemi Tope, and several years before I came into office, I've spent 4.5 years now to see Central Traditional Council. So I don't go with the coronation and the staff of office. You will work now as seriously to ensure that we have Ọ̀yọ́ State Council of Traditional Rulers to be functional again. Our video budget next year, I already have it in there. It's a complete reconstruction of the House of Chiefs. The House of Assembly and I will reconstruct further. So there will be a conducive atmosphere and environment for you and our traditional rulers to hold your meetings and contribute towards the development of Ọ̀yọ́ State. The other thing I want to say is the people tí wọ́n contest this through pẹ̀lú Kábíyèsí. As of last week, some of you are still in court. Wọ́n gbé court order ẹni ṣe lọ́yà. Àwọn lọ́yà ló máa ń ní pé maybe is a loan order or is the one they go and meet the judge. What I can say is the contestation for the throne is behind us. Looking forward to àwọn tí wọ́n ṣì wà ní court withdrawing the court cases by the end of this week as a show of love for Ogbomoso land. Ẹgbẹ́ ara yín létí o, in this Ọ̀yọ́ state, àwọn kan gbé ọba wọn lọ sí court, and after 20 years, he went all the way to the Supreme Court. Wọ́n yan ọba náà. As of today, àti ọba tí wọ́n yọ, àtàwọn tí wọ́n lọ sí court tí wọ́n yọ ọba, and the people of that community kò sẹ́ni ní benefit kankan nínú ẹ̀ after 20 years. Ẹ̀rú ẹ̀rú ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ní ìlú Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́. So the people fighting, they should stop forthwith. But tí wọn ò bá dákẹ́, tí wọn ò dákẹ́ tí wọ́n ṣe dúró, me as the executive governor of Oyo State o, a jọ wà nínú ìgbà yẹn ni, and I will fight to ensure peace and to ensure progress for Ogbomoso land by ensuring pé anything tí gómìnà bá lágbára láti fi bá wọn jà máa fi bá wọn jà o. I'm a believer in constitutional rules for our traditional rulers. And Kábíyèsí, there is a new authority in Oyo State. It is called the Rule of Law Enforcement Authority. It will be House of Assembly. It will soon be passed into law. And I want your support and other traditional rulers in Oyo State. Torí pé ìlú tí ò bá sí òfin. So I want your support. And finally, on behalf of the Oyo State government, sons and daughters of Ogbomoso land, and the good people of Oyo State, I want to wish Kábíyèsí Ọba Ghandi Ọláoyè a long, peaceful, and successful reign. Kábíyèsí kádé pẹ́ lórí, kí bàtà pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀, kí ẹṣin ọba kó jẹ òkú pẹ́ o. Thank you, Excellency. We will take the national anthem. December, congratulations about Sosowa, Ọ̀gbẹ́ni, Afọlábí, Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀, Adébọ̀tí fún Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀. Kábíyèsí ní ìlú yẹn dáadáa.
Ọkọ̀